The information in this video comes from thorough research. Before you watch the video, do you think parallel worlds are real or just a sci-fi theory? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinions in the comments. What if our universe is just one of many, each with its own history, its own possibilities? The idea of parallel worlds is no longer just science fiction. It's a serious scientific possibility. Michio Kaku. Parallel worlds, a comprehensive exploration. The concept of parallel worlds has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and writers for centuries. It suggests that beyond our observable universe, there may exist multiple or even infinite alternate realities. These parallel worlds could be similar to ours with minor variations, or they could be vastly different, governed by different physical laws and constants. While often associated with science fiction, the idea of parallel worlds has also found a place in serious scientific discussions, particularly in quantum mechanics, cosmology, and string theory. This paper explores the history, scientific theories, philosophical implications, and cultural impact of the concept of parallel worlds. Historical background of parallel worlds. Ancient and philosophical roots. The idea of multiple realities can be traced back to ancient philosophical traditions. Greek philosophers like Democritus and Anaximander speculated about the existence of multiple worlds. In Hindu cosmology, there are references to many universes existing simultaneously, a concept echoed in some Buddhist teachings as well. During the Renaissance, philosophers such as Giordano Bruno argued for an infinite cosmos with countless inhabited worlds, challenging the geocentric view of the universe. This set the stage for more systematic scientific investigations into the possibility of parallel worlds. Scientific theories on parallel worlds. Quantum mechanics and the many worlds interpretation. One of the most intriguing scientific explanations for parallel worlds comes from quantum mechanics, particularly the many worlds interpretation, MWI, proposed by Hugh Everett III in 1957. According to MWI, every quantum event that has multiple possible outcomes results in a branching of the universe, creating a new parallel world for each possible outcome. For instance, if a photon can travel through two slits in an experiment, the many worlds interpretation suggests that it does both, each in a separate reality. This means that every decision, from the smallest particle interactions to human choices, could be splitting reality into numerous branches, each representing a different timeline. In addition, some researchers argue that consciousness itself might play a role in selecting which parallel universe an individual experiences, although this remains a controversial viewpoint within the scientific community. String theory and extra dimensions. String theory proposes that fundamental particles are not point-like, but instead exist as vibrating strings. These strings operate in a universe with more than the familiar 3 spatial dimensions and 1 temporal dimension. Some versions of string theory predict the existence of parallel universes in extra-dimensional spaces, which could be inaccessible or hidden from us due to our limited perception of dimensions. The brain-world model, a subset of string theory, suggests that our universe exists on a 3-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brains could exist parallel to ours, potentially hosting their own distinct universes with unique physical properties. Cosmology and the multiverse hypothesis. Modern cosmology also provides a framework for parallel worlds through the concept of the multiverse. Some models of cosmic inflation suggest that our universe is just one of many bubble universes forming within an ever-expanding multiverse. These universes could have different physical constants, laws, or even entirely different mathematical frameworks governing them. Stephen Hawking and other physicists have explored the idea that black holes might serve as gateways between universes, or that quantum fluctuations in the early universe led to the creation of multiple independent realities. Philosophical implications of parallel worlds. The notion of parallel worlds raises deep philosophical questions about identity, fate, and determinism. If there are infinite versions of ourselves making different choices in parallel realities, what does that imply about free will? Are we simply experiencing one path among countless possibilities? Moreover, the idea of parallel worlds challenges the traditional concept of a single, objective reality. If every possibility exists somewhere, does this mean that reality is fundamentally probabilistic? This question remains a central debate among physicists and philosophers alike. Furthermore, if parallel worlds exist but are inaccessible to us, does their existence have any bearing on our lived experiences? Some thinkers argue that unless there is empirical evidence of interaction between parallel universes, their existence remains a speculative idea without practical significance. Parallel worlds in literature and popular culture. The idea of parallel worlds has been a staple in science fiction, influencing literature, film, and television. Notable examples include The Man in the High Castle by Philip K. Dick, an alternate history novel exploring a world where Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan won World War II. His Dark Materials by Philip Pullman, fantasy series featuring parallel worlds connected by mystical means. Marvel and DC Multiverses, comic book universes that explore multiple versions of superheroes and their respective realities. Movies like Interstellar, The Matrix, and Doctor Strange. These films delve into various interpretations of parallel worlds, from scientific to mystical perspectives. Science fiction has played a crucial role in popularizing the concept of parallel worlds, inspiring scientific discussions and imaginative explorations of what such realities might entail. Experimental evidence and scientific challenges. While the idea of parallel worlds is intriguing, there is currently no direct experimental evidence to support their existence. However, physicists continue to explore indirect clues, such as quantum computing and superposition. Some interpretations suggest that quantum computers might be leveraging parallel computations in alternate realities. Anomalies in cosmic microwave background radiation. Some irregularities in cosmic radiation patterns have been speculated to be interactions with other universes. Search for extra dimensions at CERN. Experiments at the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, aim to detect phenomena that could suggest the existence of hidden dimensions. Despite these efforts, proving the existence of parallel worlds remains one of the biggest challenges in modern physics. The role of consciousness in parallel worlds. Some theories suggest that consciousness might play a role in the perception or even the creation of parallel worlds. Certain interpretations of quantum mechanics propose that reality exists in a superposition of states until observed, raising the possibility that different conscious observers might experience distinct realities. This perspective ties into discussions in metaphysics and Eastern philosophy, where consciousness is seen as fundamental to the nature of reality itself. Additionally, near-death experiences and altered states of consciousness have led some researchers to speculate about the potential for accessing parallel realities through human perception, though these claims remain largely anecdotal and unverified by mainstream science. Technological and scientific advancements for exploring parallel worlds. Future advancements in physics and technology may provide new ways to investigate parallel worlds. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing. AI-powered analysis of quantum data could reveal patterns hinting at parallel realities. Gravitational wave detection. Future detectors may identify anomalies suggesting interactions with parallel universes. Advancements in theoretical physics. New mathematical models might provide deeper insights into how multiple realities could coexist. Parallel worlds remain one of the most intriguing and speculative concepts in modern science and philosophy. While current theories provide frameworks for their possible existence, empirical evidence remains elusive. Whether through advancements in quantum physics, cosmology, or future discoveries in fundamental science, the search for parallel worlds continues to challenge our understanding of reality itself. This exploration of parallel worlds not only pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, but also fuels our imagination, inspiring new ways to think about the nature of existence and the universe at large. The future of research in this domain may one day reveal groundbreaking discoveries that redefine our perception of reality, opening new doors to understanding the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you have any experiences related to this topic, be sure to share them with us. Until the next episode, be mindful of the energies around you